This is the 7th generation Clean with Purpose laundry detergent. This one specifically is the lavender scent. And let me tell you, this is the only detergent my family and I will use. It is plant-based, so you're not getting any of those harsh chemicals. And even the scent, as I mentioned, this one is lavender. The scents are made from essential oils and botanical ingredients, which is awesome. Now, just because this is natural, don't think that it doesn't get the job done, because it does. I have cleaned so many stains with this and it works perfect. This one in particular will go ahead and do 60 loads for you, which is a nice size. And it is USDA certified. This is also made from recycled ingredients, which I'm big on as well. And once you're done with this, you can go ahead and recycle this. So, all in all, it is a great and safer choice, in my opinion. If you have children or you just don't want to use any harsh chemicals while washing clothes, this works perfectly. And they have so many other scents as well. So if you don't like lavender, you have other options. And some people don't like any scents. If they're really sensitive to any kind of scent, you can just buy the one that is not scented and it works just as well. We love the 7th generation laundry detergent.